These are paper tracks, Hot Wheels cars. Hey, look down. Here are
Nice. Yes, it's so big.
these Hot Wheels cars.
Yes.
Let's start.
Yes, it's so big. You got the drift, dude.
Oh no. You wait and let's go more. Let's go more Hot
Take
Wheels
more
cars.
Hot Wheels there. Got some Hot Wheels there with the monster gym.
Come on.
Sorry about that. It's too dark. It's too dark.
No. Okay, let's go there.
My sniper rifle.
We just got a bucket
Yo,
here.
I'm actually
I just monster trucks.
okay. Let's just use monster trucks. Well, monster truck, we need to make some ramp or something that will make like a backflip or a wheelie, sky wheelie, airtime. Yep, you need that. I'm actually his friend. I always record at Heskia's Cat Luna because I'm his friend. Of course not. I'm super cat.
And
Let's
let's
go.
go race. No, the paper tracks.
The Papa Shop.
He's win this.
Did he win?
Yep. And this bulldozer, he loses.
I hope he'll win again.
Let's go.
Look
now.
at these
It's
two.
Monster trucks. Monster trucks, Hot Wheels. Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, Monster Jam versus Monster Jam.
Oh my gosh.
How Bulldozer wins? No!
No, bulldozers win.
Yeah, like a boss, dude.
Okay. Now
We got it full of Grave Digger. Digger.
and
Someone's go out. It's a creep. Yeah, I'm
what
just
is
like,
his name?
at 2019, we're gonna make a
Come on.
video.
Let's see how this
Actually, I don't know at when.
this
At
the
when
Hot
we're gonna
Wheels
make
cars.
the brother video. So yeah, we're here. Look at these two finding some gold for his wife. Finding gold for his wife. He's a beggar. He's a beggar.
Let's go, paper tracks.
I'm here. I can zoom it. Duh. Man, we got 3 minutes.
Here we go.
Hope that guy loses. You break all of the tracks.
Okay. The guy is win this. Okay, bye bye guys. So